Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Fiat 500 trunk. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery negative terminal for safety before testing any components. Use a flashlight to inspect the latch, hinges, and seal for obvious damage. Try the manual release and the key fob to narrow electrical problems. Keep a small set of basic tools and gloves nearby to avoid scratches while you work under dim light. Begin mechanical fixes by cleaning the latch area with a degreaser and a rag to remove grime that hides wear. Apply a thin coat of lubricant to the latch, hinge, and striker points, then operate the trunk repeatedly to work the lubricant in. If alignment is off, loosen hinge bolts slightly, realign the lid, and red-iron while checking gaps. Swap a damaged latch for a matching replacement if it fails to catch reliably. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It keeps your Fiat 500 smelling sharp and helps mask musty trunk odors after cleaning. It's small, lasts a while, and fits anywhere in the trunk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When addressing electrical issues, first test the key fob and interior release switch to confirm signals reach the car. Use a multimeter to check voltage at the actuator connector while someone presses the release, avoiding shorts. Clean corroded terminals with contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. If water intrusion is present, replace the trunk gasket and clear drainage channels so seals can sit flush and keep moisture out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.